Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to link Facebook account to Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to link Facebook account on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen you can see a bunch of icons. Tap on the U button at the bottom of the screen and you land over here, whereas at the top right corner of the screen you can see the settings option available for us. Tap on the settings option at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here guys, where you can see the account security option available for us at the top left corner of the screen over here, just above the permissions. Tap on account security and you land over here guys. You can see where it says the social sign in over here. There is the Google and the Facebook available for us. In your case also there will be the Google and the Facebook available for us. Since my Facebook is already linked, I won't be able to link it again. So in order to link your Facebook account to Temu guys, in your case tap on the Facebook button over here, where there will be the link option available for us at the right side of the Facebook instead of the linked. Tap on that button where it says link and a login page to your Facebook account will open from this page. And if you log into your Facebook account over there, your Facebook account and your Temu account will be linked. And with that being said guys, this is how to link Facebook on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.